This will be an instruction on how to assemble, set up, and use the RhinoMark tool. First, we'll install the refill. Disconnect the head from the base by moving the lock ring down with 2 fingers. Careful not to drop the base. The refill is simple. Uncap and add to the grip. It slides in. There's no clicking, it just rests inside. The base can be reattached. Holding it the same way and using 2 fingers to actuate the lock ring, open the lock and insert onto the handle grip. Once in place, you can twist until it clicks in place. And you'll see the lock ring move up and lock the tool. Now it's ready for marking. The way the tool works is it has 3 magnets inside of the base. These need to be centered over a RhinoBond plate in order to work, find the plate, and make the mark. Here's a plate welded to some membrane. Let's show you how it works. When you're sweeping across the roof, you'll find that plate and one of the green flags will trigger. It still won't mark, it's locked. Even 2, when this is halfway on the plate, it's still locked and won't allow you to make a mark. You need all 3 flags, green and in place, to center the tool, and then it will allow you to press down and make a mark directly on the center of the plate.